Hello friend, welcome to Market Analysis channel. Today I'll be doing analysis on Ethereum. Ethereum has finally formed a double bottom, and from this bottom a rally has already started, just the same way Bitcoin did. And when you look at this pattern occurring, you will see that the double bottom come out in a nice version. Let me try to show you something to note about it. When you see that the first leg of the bottom, the volume was high, and immediately it dropped to this particular bar, this upward close bar with above average volume. The buyer stopped the downward pressure and the price range in for extended period of time. As it traded in this sideways market, the volumes are below average volume when you check underneath the chart. That's a very good indication that attention has been taken away. And if once attention has been taken away, that's when professionals used to come into the market. They don't like when everything is crowded and the public masses are on a coin. They want everything to dry up so they can come in when no one else notices, and by the time everyone will notice, they will have already made their money. So when the sideways trade have the first leg stopped and the second leg initiated on the chart, this marked finally the second leg of the double bottom, and now it has started a rally upward, going gradually. This rally has even crossed above the 50-day average line on this particular bar, and this bar come back to retest it. The now current bar is now bouncing up and pushing Ethereum price upward. So what is going on here is a psychology of price movement. This particular bar finally confirmed that it has successfully break beyond the low and the sideways market, and it's now in a bullish territory where when it crosses above the 50-day average line. Let me zoom out now and show you what some of the big picture and what happened and what need to take note in Ethereum coin. When you look at the chart from the bottom side of the left side, you will see that the market bottom and a rally started. That's very true. The rally went ahead and goes up to as high as 0.1 before it finally dropped back to 0.2. And when the rally finally dropped back to 0.2, the sellers getting weak and they are whacked by the buyers, and the buyers coming with huge amount of volume. You can check underneath the chart, you see the volume of orders that are coming from 0.2, which is a very beautiful thing to watch while you are trading. And the volume take it back to 0.1. The price now range on that particular zone because it's tough for them to break through, but finally they break through 0.1, and now the price went ahead straight up to 0.3, and Ethereum movement was around 56% increase. When it got there at 0.3, you can look at the bottom of the chart. The volume dried up on 0.3. Then the sellers take charge again, send it down to the 50-day average line. It ranged up on that particular levels a bit before it now finally form the double bottom. And as this double bottom is occurring with a low volume, it's telling us that the buyers have now getting to the price has now touched the floor. The sellers have no more zone to sell the price, and the buyers are now fighting back because they don't want to lose the ground on Ethereum at this time. So all what this means to you is that if you are holding Ethereum coin or you haven't even buy Ethereum at the moment, this is the right time to start buying Ethereum, and this is the right time to add more to your position, because when it's obvious and it's in the news, profit will have been made already. So it's always good to start when the professional traders are starting, why no one else is noticing and the media. But until the price now rise substantially, that is when you start reading it in the news and when the media will start calling your attention, and then the profit has been made already. So it's always good to start while the professionals are starting instead of waiting late to take your trading decision based on what you read in the news. Now, our next focus is now the target point on Ethereum. Our target point is very simple, not as complex as most target points are. We measure the last leg that Ethereum made prior to coming down from 0.3, and the last leg was from 0.2 to 0.3. That's around 56% increase. That's what we will calculate as our projection from 0.3 upward. And let me zoom out the chart for you to see, and this is it in detail. Is 3,350. That's our target on Ethereum once it finally break out from 0.3, because for now the rally has started. We've had to our position, and once we get to 0.3, we also add more to our position, and our focus will now be target point, which is 3,350, before taking another rest again. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, like the video, paste your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next analysis. Bye bye.